Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a story card or book card. It's three A2 cards together. I'm just going to decorate for the first card, the front page, and the two other page, but the last page is going to be glued to the other card, and then the second card is just going to decorate the inside, both sides of the inside, and in the third card the same thing. As you see here, I stamped the seven little girls, seven, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 little girls, and I color them with cup markers. The first one I stamped it again, and I did it again because the hair, it was too dark, and I want them to look alike, because they're going to be the same hair but in different situations and feelings, like it look in the stamp set. The one that is crying, I'm going to use it for tears of joy, no for sadness. But you will see that later on. After I finish coloring, I'm going to color the details, but the dresses I want to match them with the words in the small book. Then I'm going to start cutting letters, but I cut all the letters out of camera to save time, because I cut a lot amount of letters for this card. As you see here, I die cut them all in white, and I color them or paint them with my copy markers to match the dresses. I can cut the black ones in black cardstock, but I have the white paper out, and I just went with the white paper that I have in my desk. As you see here, I matched this little girl with the letters today and thinking. After all the letters that are in colors, I'm going to add Mod Podge Stream Glitter and then glossy accents in all the pages, even in the inside pages. I'm going to do that. As you see here, I glued this one using the T ruler, and I still get crooked. I don't know why. Maybe my eyes are crooked and I don't know. But for the pages in the inside, I use a different technique. I adding some details with my white gel pen, and I forgot to add the gray copy markers in the bottom of the gear, because I don't want them to look like floating, but I forgot that part. Maybe I do it later. As you see here, I'm adding the Mod Podge. It's a string glitter Mod Podge, and after that I add the glossy accents. While this is drying, I'm going to work in the pages that are going to be in the middle, even though that I have to work on a page in the back of this one, in the same card base, but I'm going to wait for this to dry first, and then I start working on the other page. As you see here, all the letters are in white, and I just color them with my copy markers. For the colors and for the black, the same thing. And in all the pages, I'm going to do the same. Add the letters, add the Mod Podge and the glossy accents, and add the dresses with the color of the letters. This is the one that I use for the rest of the letter. I don't remember how you call this. Thick? I don't remember. I know it's from the kitchen to cover the food, but I don't remember right now. I will look for it and I will add it in the description. Yeah. As you see here, all my letters start getting wonky again, and I try to fix them in the sticky stuff, and it's very easy. You just have to be patient. That's it. After I do this, and it's even easy to change the stuff in this because I changed the position of the blue doll with the little girl with the blue dress. I changed it to the left of the screen, and the letters to the right of the screen. You will see that even with the one in purple also. I think I did the same thing. But for the next page, I just glue it exactly the same way that I stick it to the sticky paper. And as you see here, I'm doing one by one to try to fix the letters the best as possible as I can without any line reference, to be straight. It still looked crooked, but it looked like it was on purpose, and I leave it like that. And it's just for fun. I think I even didn't know if the things that I'm saying there are right, because as you see, English is my second language. I don't speak English. I torture English. I smash English, but why defend myself, and that's a good thing. Now I'm going to add some music to the video, and you will see how I do the other page while the music plays. Okay, I almost finished adding the details, and one thing I noticed when I was editing this video is that I didn't record when I was gluing these cards together. These are 3 A2 cards glued together. The first card, I decorate 3 sides of the card, except for the back of the card. In the second and in the third card, I decorate just the inside of the card, the both pages on the inside. And then I glue the back of the first card to the front of the second card, and the third card I glue it to the back of the second card. And that's it. I'm sorry that I didn't record that, but it's like a little book. I added this baker twine in pink and orange, but later on I changed it, not in the video, out the video, I changed it for one that is gold and white, because this one was too bulky and didn't let me close the card. It closed, but not as I want. The other one is what it was thinner and it was way better. I'm decorating this fabric. This is muslin. I'm doing this because I want to hang something from this baker twine. And this is just muslin. I cut it with a die cut, and I just gluing it together with fabric glue. And you see the code that I put on top, that was decoupage matte medium in top. That way it will stamp a little bit better. I'm going to stamp with my Versa mark. By the way, it get lost. I don't know what it is. I look everywhere and I don't know what it is. The Versa fine, sorry. And I'm going to color them with acrylic. It's okay if it's a little bit loose in the corners, because I'm going to cut it anyway with my scissors. As you see here, I'm just decorating the hair, and I just finishing all the details and everything with acrylic paint, and also with my glitter gel pen at the details in the eyes and in the dress and around the hair. After that, I'm going to attach them to the string, to the baker twine, and they're going to be like a bookmark. This card is perfect for little girls that like to read, or any little girl, and they can use the baker twine with the little girls attached to as a bookmark in the card. You will see in the pictures and the last part of the video that I mark one of the pages with these little girls. For the cheeks, I use my chalk pastel that I always use, and as I say, I add glitter also. After that, I will attach them to the baker twine, and that will be it. That will my book card. I'm going to try to make different stories or something like that. This one is a little bit cheesy, but I like it. I'm going to try to make different ones. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Until next time, goodbye.